Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to show you an unboxing and first look of a new Blackfox knife that I recently got. And I must say that Blackfox, as a subsidiary of the Fox Cutlery from Italy, did a really nice job of bringing out a few really interesting designs, collaborating with different knife makers from around the world. And this will be the Blackfox Nu-Bowie. Let me show you the model number. So it's BF-758 MIB. We have a really nice presentation box here. Warranty information. Okay. Thank you note. These are those small little touches which really bring a smile to my face, because yes, they will give you some kind of appreciation note. It's always like to see that these companies are humble and will thank the customer for being there. And also, I don't know, what is this, some kind of tissue, or looks like some kind of more grease paper. Maybe the knife should be packed in that, but was not. Maybe it is done for the purposes of the dealers, so they can check the final QC is done by the dealer, and if everything is okay, then maybe they should package them up. But yeah, whatever, it's not important. So we have this hard foam insert and magnetic closure box. So really nice presentation right there. So this one is designed by Kean Alfaro. I hope I did not butcher his name. Yeah, we have a small but really sturdy knife with this one. So it is a button lock, and it will be opened only while you depress the lock right here. So this is probably a safety precaution. Maybe if you live in a country where you have a special kind of knife laws that you have to accommodate to be able to sell or carry knives in public, maybe this is one of those situations. But yes, it is a manual knife that has to be, it is probably closed and secured at any time, even closed and even opened. So without depressing the button, there is no go. Okay. Now, let me give you the specifications. So we have a overall length of 14.7 centimeters, this is 5.8 inches. The blade is 6.3 centimeters or 2.5 inches. The blade width is 2.6 centimeters or 1 inch. Thickness is 3.1 millimeters or 0.12 inches. The handle length is 8.6 centimeters or 3.4 inches with a thickness of 1.2 centimeters or 0.5 inches. Materials used on this one, we have, like is marked on the top, we have D2 with a nice stonewash finish, and this let's say drop point, almost clip point, but yeah, let's check it out. It is straight, so it is drop point. A drop point blade, probably looks like a flat ground blade. Yeah, maker's mark or maker's name engraved on one side. We have Blackfox logo laser engraved and D2 on the other side. For handles, we have the OG Kaiser China Carta or Chinese Micarta, which is in my opinion a canvas, heavy canvas type stuff that is made out of with epoxy resin colored to a brown color. And for those of you who don't know, this is the OG OG Kaiser micarta, so definitely the same grain structure, but this is more a polish or stabilized, maybe soaked in some kind of varnish or oil to be stabilized. We have full stainless steel liners, so there is no skeletonization going whatsoever, and they are nicely nested. As you can see, they're not protruding from underneath. And we have caged ball bearing washers for the pivot assembly, so you can definitely shake it to close it, but definitely will have to apply some kind of oil or KPL to make it smoother. It should be possible, but yeah, right there. Okay, as a lock, we have a plunge lock or button lock, whatever I like to call it. The weight comes at 81 grams, which is 2.8 ounces, so a little bit on the heavy side with such a small knife, but definitely the overbuild factor will be very pleasing for some people who cannot have a large knife, but will go to find something that is really nice and bulky and sturdy, so that give you more confidence with that size in your hand, of course. Okay, for the pocket clip, we have a really nicely designed deep carry pocket clip, and it is nicely recessed and flush screws are used, so definitely somebody does pay attention. Also, for all my lefty carry and lefty carry friends, we have an option here. You can switch the pocket clip. Okay, so let me grab a piece of paper right here and see the sharpness. So like I mentioned, this is D2, but the blade is really has a high level of toothiness to it, so it will cut without any problems, but definitely you need to use some kind of abrasives, like ceramic stones or Spyderco's triangle sharpener, and or maybe just use your strop with a heavy compound. Okay, now let's see the pocket profile really quickly right here. So I forgot to mention that this is completely polished or smooth, and therefore it will go inside the pocket without any problems, really smoothly. So also this one was designed with the intention to be ADC carry. Therefore, those of you who don't like on this small size to have a pocket clip, then definitely you can take it down and use the fifth pocket, the coin pocket, to rest it inside, or even use the pocket clip to add more security to it. Okay. Now let's see a few size comparisons. So let's check out the Kaiser pinch with the OG China Carta. Here's the CVV rustic gent. The Bestech Syntax. Kaiser Mini Sheepdog. QSP Penguin. CVV Lamentum. CRKT Pillar 1 and Blade Edge exclusive Micarta scales. Benchmade bug out. Mini feldspar from CGRB. The 949X or Warrior from Petrified Fish. Here's the Buck Vintage Select Small. Let's see. Let's put in the frame also a Saltbuster Junior. Here's Spyderco Delica. Here's a small or medium Stockman. Here is the Rough Rider Peanut. And let's close it down with a K-Bar Dorsal Folding Hunter. Okay, so price-wise, we're looking at around 53 euros. The price was taken from one of my dealers. Since this is it's a European-based company, the price in US dollars should be different because of the market and everything else, import costs and so on. So if this will hit the shelves of United States dealers, they will have different price point, of course. So keep that in mind. Check out your favorite retailer for our Blackfox knives if you like, and you can get one of these for you if you decide to do so. You can also choose from two variants, so there is also a green Micarta one and a black G10, which also has a black blade on it. So probably one more thing that I forgot to mention, that the opening method is a long pull. So this thingy right here, and we have two positions of jimping for stability of using and carving, of course. Overall, this is a really nice small design knife for all of those life situations where you need or can carry only a small knife. Then this is a really nice representation for those situations. Okay, with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. I appreciate all of my subscribers and taking the time and watching and subscribing. I always appreciate the comments, and I would like to encourage everybody that is not subscribed to subscribe to my channel to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear rented, but sometimes other stuff regarding my hobbies and so on. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon.